Symptoms of bad transmission fluid. 1. Leaking fluid. If your transmission is leaking fluid, then it will cause the remaining fluid to burn more because there is not enough of the fluid to adequately lubricate the components of your transmission. This means they will overheat faster as they're not being adequately cooled down. 2. Burning smell. One of the first symptoms you will recognize is a burning smell inside your vehicle that is coming from your transmission fluid. This burning smell is caused by all the extra friction being created from the gears, which causes them to overheat and burn. The result is a burning smell that becomes stronger the longer it goes on like that. This is certainly not normal for transmission fluid to be doing that. Transmission fluid should smell sweet and not like it's burning. 3. Smoke. If the temperatures of the transmission fluid start to get very hot, then you may even see smoke coming out of the transmission. This should be a clear enough warning sign that something is wrong and that you need to get it looked at immediately. Don't continue driving. 4. Troubleshifting gears. The transmission is what allows you to change gears. If you have burning transmission fluid, then it will cause more hesitation when you try to change the gears. To make matters worse, the gears may change themselves as you're driving. Sometimes you won't be able to shift gears at all. Regardless of the case, you need to get your car checked over by a professional right away. Your fluid might be burnt or you may be very low on fluid. 5. Transmission overheated. An overheated transmission may cause all of these other symptoms to happen. Your vehicle may enter limp mode to protect the components, the check engine light may turn on, and you may have to wait a while or reset the ECU until the vehicle can be driven normally. There are different stages of an overheated transmission that you need to consider, based on how hot it gets. These temperature numbers will be different for each transmission, but below is an example to outline the increasing severity. If the temperature gets to around 220 degrees Fahrenheit, the metal components of the transmission may have varnish form on them. If it gets to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, then you may run the risk of hardening rubber seals. Hard seals will leak and warrant replacement. At 260 degrees Fahrenheit, transmission slippage is likely. This could leave you stranded for a while, at least until the unit cools down. If you let the transmission get to 295 degrees Fahrenheit, then your entire transmission may fail and need a rebuild or replacement.